Hi guys, welcome back to another bite-sized video. I hope you're hungry and ready to eat. In today's video, we are going to be making some stew, blackfish or blackfish boljol. First, we are going to begin by washing our blackfish thoroughly with lime juice and water to take away any impurities and any of that foul funky taste, because let's be real, blackfish does have a very foul funky smell and taste. So washing it with lime definitely helps to get rid of that. For my non-Caribbean viewers, you might want to replace foul funky with pungent. It works just the same. So here you see me scrubbing my blackfish thoroughly to get rid of that oil film. Guys, if you don't know, whale is very rank, it's very fresh. So you want to cut that down by scrubbing it away with your lime or lemon. Typically, blackfish is shredded or stripped. However, I don't have time for all that today. I have a hungry family to feed. So I'm cutting them down into smaller sizes so I can process them in my blender. And to be honest, I prefer this way because you have even strips and it stretches a bit more. So guys, in this new and modern time, the objective is to work smarter and not harder. This cuts your strip time down in a matter of seconds. Trust me, it works. Just make sure that you thoroughly wash your blender after. Now this is the finished product after I passed it through the blender. It's very easy to work with. I've already washed it to remove some of the excess salt. So today we're working with some cabbage, onions, tarrag, and pepper and rosemary. I have chili pepper and flavor pepper. Don't worry guys, I will list everything that I used today down in the description. However, I will say that the only packaged spices that were used were jerk seasoning, complete seasoning, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Blackfish does not require a lot of processed seasoning. The garlic, the peppers, the onions, and everything work perfectly fine. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bon appetit, and keep on watching.